Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a school student or parents, this is an exciting opportunity. The National Disaster Management Authority, in collaboration with MyGov, has launched a nationwide poster making competition, and the cash prize is up to 50,000. Now let's see in detail. This is the official circular released by CBSE on 16th June 2026 with the subject Nationwide Poster Making Competition on Heatwave Safety. So the competition name is Stay Cool and Stay Safe. This is the theme of this poster competition, and this competition is open till 15th July 2026. All the school students are encouraged to participate and contribute creative ideas. And the best part, the cash prize. The first place will receive 50,000 cash prize. Second one will receive 30,000 and the third prize is 20,000. So this is the advertisement. Now I will show you how you can participate. So for participation, I have already provided the link in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. And this competition is only for school student. It's clearly written for school student only. So you just click on the link which is given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page which says that Government of India and poster competition by National Disaster Management. So now if you scroll down here, so you are going to get the dates that this competition is already started on 25th May and last date is 15th July. And here a few more instructions are given about the competition. Like most important thing, participant can submit painting or hand-drawn sketch or any artwork or illustration. Then the judgment criteria. Judgment criteria is relevance or effectiveness in communicating the theme, creativity and originality, visual impact and overall artistic appeal, clarity and legibility of the message, quality of artwork and presentation, and lastly, ability of the poster to independently convey heatwave safety awareness. And about the prize money I have already mentioned. So here that same thing they have given. Now here one participant can submit only one entry. Remember, multiple entry will lead to disqualification, and you need to upload your entry only in either JPG form or PDF form only. Now let's see how you can participate. So for participation, you need to go on the top, and as you can see on the right side, it's written participate now. So just click on participate now. Now you are going to get this login page. Multiple ways is there to log in. You can log in using your mobile number or email ID, using OTP or through password, or last one you can use your Facebook login or Google login. I normally log in using OTP. So now let's log in through OTP. So now after entering the OTP, just click on submit button. Now as you can see here, student detail you need to enter. So you need to enter your name of the student, name of the school, school type. So for school type, two options are there, government and private. Then guardian contact number, date of birth, guardian name, email ID, your gender, male, female or other, then state, district, pin code. You need to enter all this detail. Then you can enter description, poster description, which should be in maximum 100 word. Then you need to upload your file, which should be in JPG or PDF, and maximum size of 2 MB. And here few more instruction is given to you, like it should be handmade poster. You can use paper size of A3 or A4, both portrait or landscape. Then try to upload, scan a high quality photograph only. Then any artistic medium may be used, including watercolor, acrylic, crayon or pencil art. Then after uploading, check this box and click on submit button. Remember students, this is an wonderful opportunity provided by Government of India for students to spread awareness while competing for attractive cash prize. If you know someone who loves drawing or painting, share this video with them. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for latest CBSE and NCERT education and scholarship update. Thank you for watching and all the best for the competition.